Lord, wash me clean. I'm churched out. I'm hurt. And all I want to do is just cry. My skin is starting to feel like a suit rather than a part of me. I lean my head towards my knees in nothing but sorrow and heartbreak. I can't help but ask, why did I do that? Why did I have to think that thought? Why did I say that lie? Why is healing so painful to me? You'll be okay, my daughter. That's what you said. Just trust me. Have faith. That's what I heard. Lord, wash me clean. Your daughter feels dirty.